guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. Guys, if you've been waiting for information regarding the Pixel Fold, guess what? It's your lucky day. It's official. The Pixel Fold is finally coming out and it's launching in 2023. We just got information and updates that Google is going to make the announcement officially during the May 10th launching event. At that time, they're going to explain what's going to happen with the Google Pixel Fold, and they're also going to show off the device. So, we've been waiting a long time for this. Many people have been anticipating, and well, this is your lucky day because you're basically just getting great news. So, a couple of things to note down regarding the device is obviously there's a lot of anticipation because this is Google's first foldable phone. So, a lot of people are looking to see what they're going to do with it, and exactly where they're going to take it. So that's the first thing that we know so far. Secondly, as far as price point, we're looking at somewhere within the 1700 to possibly 1800 price line. We're being told that it might ship as early as June of 2023. So that's something to look forward to if you guys are anxious to get it. It's not that far away. Another thing is they're saying that the camera is going to have a polished mirror finish just like the 7 Pixel Pro. So if you guys are familiar with that camera, it's gonna have a similar design on the Pixel Fold. Next is as far as the screen, 7-point-inch inner display and a 5-point-inch outer display. And as far as the chip, it'll be shipping with the G2 sensor chip. And then, without a doubt, everyone is going to be looking to see how it stacks up against the Galaxy Fold 5. Many are already saying that as far as pricing and specs wise, it just might be able to snuff out the competition. So that's very exciting for Google to be getting that kind of praise already. So we'll see what happens, right, guys? All right. I will leave a link for you in the description so you can read more about it. But that's it for this one, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. Are you excited and will you be purchasing this device? Also, what are your expectations and do you really think it can stack up against the Galaxy Fold devices? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.